Good morning, class 10. Let's continue with the topic mineral based industries, where today you will be studying about the two major industries, that is the automobile industry and information technology and electronics industry. So let's start with the first one, that is the automobile industry. Well, student, do you know that Indian automobile industry is the fourth largest industry in the world, and it employs almost about 32 million people. Now we cannot imagine a life without this industry. The reason, because this industry provides a large number of transport for the goods, services and passengers from one place to another. A number of vehicles have been provided to us by the automobile industry, like trucks, buses, motorcycle, cars, scooters, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, multi-utility vehicles. A number of large vehicles have been manufactured in our country at the different centers. Now children, do you know that after the implementation of the government policy of liberalization, this industry is boosted up. It actually stimulated the demand for vehicles in the market. So today you can find a large number of the passenger cars, two-wheelers and three-wheelers which are plying on the road. This industry actually had experienced a quite good jump in less than 15 years. And do you know that foreign direct investment brought in a new technology and aligned the industry with global developments? And children, today at present there are around 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, 9 of commercial vehicle, 14 of two and three wheelers. And in India, this automobile industry is located around Delhi, Gurgaon, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur and Bangalore. So this industry has expanded a lot in the last 15 years. Now the next mineral based industry is information technology industry. Now children, you know that we people cannot imagine a life without the information technology, because today our day-to-day life is dependent upon IT industry. Today also, when you know very well the schools are closed due to COVID-19, still the online studies are going on, all because of the IT. So children, this electronic industry, it covers a wide range of products, right from a small transistor to a television, cellular telecom, telephone, pagers, cell phones, computers, radars and many other equipments which have been required by the telecommunication industry. Now do you know that in our country, Bangalore is the biggest electronic capital of our country? And apart from this Bangalore, there are other important centers of electronic goods like Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Coimbatore. And in our country, there are around 18 software technology parks which provide a single window service with a very high data communication facilities to software experts. And you know that this industry provides employment to a large number of the people. This IT industry employs around 1 million person children, and this number is expected to increase in the coming future. Within, expected to increase around 8-fold in the next 3 to 4 years. And it's really so good to know that around 30% of the people employed in this sector are women. Now this industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in the previous years, because of our fast growing business of BPO, that is business processing outsourcing sector, or you can also call it a call center. So India is a hub of call center, children, so we earn a good amount of foreign exchange because of that. And this continuing growth in the hardware and software is actually the key to the success of IT industry in India. So we expect that in future also this industry will grow as it is growing